Welcome to class. Let us look at this beautiful question, and it says that if x raised to 3 equals negative 8, what then is the value of x raised to 2 or raised to 3 all over 1 over x raised to 2? Very easy. So all we just need to do is to evaluate for the value of x here and plug it into this expression, and boom, there we have our answer. So let's get started. So all we just need to do first is to find the value of x here. Okay, here we have that x raised to 3 equals negative 8. So for us to find the value of x, all we just need to do is to cube root both sides. So here we have the cube root of x raised to 3 equals the cube root of negative 8. Okay, this cube root here clears off this 3. We are left with x here, and the cube root of negative a will give us negative 2. Fine. So the next thing we need to do is just to plug in the value of x into this expression. So here we have x raised to 2 all raised to 3, then all over 1 all over x raised to 2. So here we have negative 2 all raised to 2 all raised to 3, then all over 1 over negative 2 all raised to 2. So from here, the whole of this gives us 4, right? So here we have that 4 raised to 3, then all over the whole of this also gives us what? 4. So here we have 1 all over 4. And let's take note, this is the same as saying 4 raised to 3 now divided by 1 over 4. Okay, so moving further, we can just say this is 4 raised to 3 then times 4 all over 1. And take note, our 4 here is simply the same as 4 raised to 1, which then becomes 4 raised to 3 plus 1 according to the laws of exponent, that if you have the same base, all we just need to do is to sum the exponent. Now this gives us 4 raised to 4, which gives us 256 as the final answer. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.